New developments in the debate over abortion. Two court rulings could impact access to an abortion pill. 2 to Know's Ben Briscoe looks into what this means for women living in North Carolina.
Whether you're for or against this medication, it's important to know what the law says about it. So here is a strict look at the facts. Right now in North Carolina, women can get an abortion procedure up through 20 weeks, but they can only get the abortion pill through about week 10. Even though there's a shorter time frame with the pill, a lot of doctors recommend it over a medical procedure because it's considered less risky. According to UCLA Health, the pill helps women avoid cervical and uterus injuries. It can also help women skip the need to go under anesthesia, which can carry its own greater risk. That's the current way it works in North Carolina. But here's how these lawsuits could change things. A federal judge in Texas ruled at the end of this week, FDA approval of the abortion pill will be revoked, saying the agency ignored legitimate safety concerns when it approved the drug 23 years ago. The FDA says this drug is safe, and in all that time of use, serious side effects have been very rare. The agency plans to appeal, but what does this actually mean for women right now? A Loyola Law School professor breaks it all down.
It's not going to change anything this week, and it may not change anything at all. Without getting too much into the weeds, I would say that there's a possibility that pharmacies can continue to provide mifepristone and abortion clinics can continue to provide mifepristone even without FDA approval.
In fact, things can't legally change at all right now in 17 states in the District of Columbia, where Democrats sued to protect access to the medication. A federal judge in Washington sided with them, blocking any changes.
It inherently creates what we call a circuit split, and it's when a court from one jurisdiction in the federal system contradicts another case in the federal system. We can't let that stand because we've got two different sets of law, which kind of means it has to go to the Supreme Court.
The bottom line, at least for now, women in North Carolina will be able to get the abortion-inducing medication. But that could change depending on if and how the Supreme Court rules.